మొదటగా అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. నేను ఈరోజు ఎక్స్‌ప్లెయిన్ చేసే ప్రోగ్రామ్ వచ్చేసి డేటా టైప్‌కి రిలేటెడ్ సి ప్రోగ్రామింగ్‌లో. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐ కెన్ టేక్ వన్ సింపుల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. In this program, in the if condition, size of int greater than -1. If it is true, it gives true value. If it is false, it print false value. Actually, this program gives false value. Most of the programmers think it is true value, but it is not correct. Why? Because this in the if condition, size of int is one type, -1 is another type. So that's why this compiler will give false value. If you observe this value, if you observe this slide clearly, you may understand very easily. Unsigned int 4, signed int -1. If you, in this if condition, if two operands are different type, definitely the condition fails, it becomes false output. That's the explanation about that previous program. When this program becomes returns true value means if you change if you add one line in the initial step, that's int space, like if you see this line, int space size equal to size of int. If you add this line into your program, then this program gives correct value, that means true value. Why? Because if you next slide, if you see size equal to 4 greater than -1, in this program the compiler, in the if condition, two operands are same type, like it will consider as integer if you add that line. That's why 4 greater than -1 is true, so program gives true value rather than false value. Why? Because 4 is integer value, -1 is integer value. Here the compiler will not be considered types because both are integer type, it be considered. That's why it give true value. Again, when it becomes false, if you mention in the line unsigned int, if you mention in that existing line, again the program gives false value. Why? Because here unsigned int is unsigned int size equal to unsigned, -1 is signed int here. Why? Because it is mentioned as unsigned. That's why compiler will take two operands are different type. That's why this program gives false value. Thanks for watching. If you just observe this slide clearly, you may easily understand the execution of the program. Most of the program will correct, the output will be true, but output will be false. Why? Because -1 is larger than the 4, because -1 is signed number, 4 is unsigned number. Signed number is be converted into 2's complement form, like FFFF. If you observe this slide, you may easily understand the value of -1 and 4. -1 is larger than 4, so the output would be false. Thanks for watching.